Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this class we're going to talk about Terraform provisioners. Okay, so what are Terraform provisioners? So we'll go through the quick introduction of this. So as we are aware, like Terraform job is to just provision the infrastructure, which means like building the infrastructure. Like we can create EC2, S3, we can create Lambda functions, we can create VPCs, so many things. Okay, but what if we want to run some commands as well? Some if, for example, if we are we are doing setup of EC2, and we want to simultaneously run some scripts. Like we can try to install a web server, we can try to install app servers, something like that. Okay. So in these cases, Terraform provisions comes into the picture. So what it helps, so Terraform provision allow you to execute commands. Okay, so basically it used to execute commands, and where it can execute on your first local machine also and a remote also. Okay, where you will be deploying your things or whatever infrastructure you're trying to create. Okay, so I think we are clear with the provisions. So we have two different types of provisioners also. Okay, so what are the two different types? That is the first is local execution. Okay, so it is used to run commands locally. Okay, then second one we have, as you might have guessed, that is the remote. Okay, remote execution that is used to run command on the remote resources. Okay, using SSH. Okay, so these are two different types, and also one more thing I will tell you, like provisions we use it, we can use it for our like small purposes, like just to you or some testing you are doing or so, yeah. But it is not recommended to use into the production environment. As like provisioners, we have some other tools also, like third-party tools, just like the we have Ansible. Okay, I guess we have Puppet, we have Chef. These are the configuration management tools. Okay. So these tools also we can use, we can integrate with the Terraform, and we can do whatever operation we want to do. Okay, so we'll go through the demo now. So this was the overall theory, and I hope you got it. So let me just open up my VS Code. Now what I'm going to do, I'll be simply creating a different directory. So mkdir Terraform, I can write as provisioners. Okay, so just to cd Terraform provisioner. And also we just, if you don't get confused, I can open up actually new one. Where it is, Terraform basics. Okay, Terraform provisions I can open, right? Okay, cool. So here we will simply create one file, that is main.tf. Let me just close it. Another one, if other is also there any. Okay, only one we have. Okay, so I had to copy some. Okay, we can folder. Okay, this main.tf we have, that I wanted to copy just. Okay, and you also just create a new directory, and you can just do it. Okay, I'll just paste it here. So what this will do, it will be going to basically create a S3 bucket in your US East 1 region in your AWS account. Okay, now I'm going to show you the simple thing, that is a local execution. Suppose I want to create some txt file. Okay, after creating this bucket, so what you can do, you can just simply type resource. You can give the type of the resource or like null resource. Okay, then you can give any name like local. Okay, then inside this block you have to write the provisioner. Sorry, I wrote provider. Provision and what are the different types? So I have this local execution. Then in local execution, I will be writing some command. So you have to give command equal to, and the command I will be giving just echo s3 bucket, and the bucket name also we can write as dollar this, and we can write this AWS underscore s3 underscore bucket, and then dot again dot this dot bucket. It will give me the bucket name, and then we can just append the output of this into a new file. Append bucket dot txt. Okay, cool. So this is the local execution. So you can use this format to write any local command. So let's just open up a new terminal. So we'll be doing Terraform init. So we'll wait. Okay, it's done. We are going to simply do Terraform plan. Okay, plan is also done. And then what we have, we are going to do simply Terraform apply. So this will create a txt file. Yes, I want to keep yes. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so creation complete, and here also you can see the file name as the bucket.txt, and we got the file name, and you saw here that this command has been executed echo. Okay, you can execute any other command also which you want. So in this way we use the local execution. So that is for this class, and in the next video we will see the remote execution. Thank you so much for watching.